Here's a big news. Starting September 2, 2025, the US government is scrapping the Dropbox interview waiver. So nearly everyone, including Indian applicants, now must appear in person for visa interviews. If you were counting on skipping the consulate queue, then think again. Let's unpack why this matters to you and how to stay on track. What is going on? The US Department of State confirmed in July that effective September 2, the interview waiver or Dropbox option is being cancelled for most non-immigrant visa categories worldwide, including H1B, L1, F1, J1, O1, and others, even for children under 14 and seniors over 79 who were previously exempt. This reversal ends pandemic-era flexibility and forces face-to-face interviews for nearly all applicants. So here's a question: why this matters? India was one of the biggest users of the Dropbox facility, and removing it means longer wait times, higher cost, and more planning stress for Indian professionals, students, and families. No more third country visa stamping either. That means applicants must now schedule interviews only in their country of residence and not in places like Thailand, Singapore, or Germany. In fact, immigration attorney Emily Newman warns, don't assume you can still use Dropbox. Nearly all renewal categories now require in-person interviews. For students like F1 visa holders or H1B professionals, this could mean fall class delays or missed job deadlines. Seniors and kids lose their previous age-based exemption. Families face the added burden of coordinating multiple interviews. So what to do? Here's your game plan. Firstly, book interview slots early, especially at high-demand posts like Mumbai, Delhi, or Bangalore. Next, prepare crucial documents like passport, DS-160 confirmation, I-20 employment letters, and previous visa copy. Next, understand your waiver eligibility. Only diplomatic visa holders and limited B1, B2 renewals under strict conditions may keep waiver status, but it's at consular discretion. Avoid travel until your visa is stamped, especially if you have expired or changed status locally. The shift marks a move back to face-to-face screening, adding friction to global mobility. If you are gearing up for a visa renewal, then type booked and ready below. Also, subscribe for weekly updates on visa policies, immigration changes, and tips for Indian travelers. Thanks for staying tuned to Immigration Talk Show, everybody. See you next time.